Hello guys! So today I am here in my friend's house, Pratoma. She's gonna cook some noodles, curry noodles, and she's preparing for me. So let's have a look. In my friend's house, Pratoma, she's gonna cook me the taste of Thailand. Thailand food. She's preparing some. What are you going to cook, eh?
The curry noodle.
A curry noodle. So she's preparing a curry noodles. She cooked really nice. Nah? This will be our lunch. So she's preparing food for me. Coconut sauce. Coconut. What do you call that, eh? Ginger?
Not ginger. What's that called?
What's that called?
I don't know what in it called.
But in Thailand, what is that?
Yes, we use for curry.
Ah, okay. Basag ang mukha mo. There you go. There you go. So guys, we are preparing curry noodles. Yeah. She's cooking for me.
พี่โด่งจะกินได้เท่าไหร่เดี๋ยวรอได้เลยให้เขากินให้ดู1 นาทีใช่ไหมพี่โด่งมาดูนะครับ1 นาทีว่าพี่โด่งจะกินได้กี่ลูกถ้าพร้อมแล้ว
Chopstick. You're really good using chopstick.
จับเวลาครับ
I need some mortar as well. You know, that expensive, eh? How much did you? 14 pounds online or in the city?
You go to Asia shop.
Asia shop. Where is your, like, the other one?
But you cannot go. I don't think you can. They're very heavy.
Alright.
You have to buy something like that. This strong. But then you can,
Remember you have the wooden one before?
you can use palai. That's not gonna make broken.
Oh yeah. Mm-mm.
จากไหนมา
Can I tone it down a little bit, yeah? Blow it. There. So let's see what she's doing. Da 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 da. She will include the sardines. So it's only Thursday, eh, your day off.
I have off Sunday. I'm gonna have time.
Sunday as well, yeah? Twice a week, yeah?
Yeah.
So do you still plan to work in the hospital, eh? Because there are lots of Thai women there.
I have lady work in hospital.
Yeah.
She work in hospital and she work with me. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's because I meet some Thai women there doing domestic job.
Yeah.
Quite nice though. There you go. So that is a rice noodles, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, rice noodles. this. You can see that she's doing. There you go. Basag na basag. The weather is not good today. It's cold. UK's weather is unpredictable. Basag na basag ang kamo. There you go. She's cooking some curry noodles. And by the way, this is a taste of Thailand. Everyone loves Thailand food. What's that, eh?
Sugar palm.
Alright. Cause there are lots of ingredients, eh, right? Lots. No wonder why it tastes really yummy. Yeah. A fishbowl, eh, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So this will be the sauce. Ano? Stir fry, belly pork stir fry. Lots of ingredients, yeah. For those people who love Thailand food, you may have the idea to cook like this. For the lovely chef Pratoma, how old are you when you start learning
I'm not
cooking?
really cooking because
Yeah, but you are now
in Thailand usually you can buy it more easy. You're not gonna cook yourself.
yeah.
In here you have to do everything you learn from YouTube.
Yeah, true. If I didn't meet you, I will never taste Thailand because I usually eat the Chinese one, Chinese food. But since I started to taste your food, God, it's quite tasty, you know, with the coconut. Bit. There you go. It's a bit what's that called? Menudo style. It's like that in a Filipino way. It looks similar, yeah. But the ingredients for this is more in the Thailand. Belly pork, my god. It's really tasty. Only 3 of us will be eating this one here. There you go. There you go. Stir fry. Belly pork stir fry. Lots of ingredients, yeah. For those people who love Thailand food, you may have the idea to cook like this. For the lovely chef Pratoma, how old are you when you start learning
I'm not
cooking?
really cooking because
Yeah, but you are now
in Thailand usually you can buy it more easy. You're not gonna cook yourself.
yeah.
In here you have to do everything you learn from YouTube.
Yeah, true. If I didn't meet you, I will never taste the Thailand because I usually eat the Chinese food. But since I started to taste your food, God, it's quite tasty, you know, with the coconut. Bit. There you go. It's a bit what's that called? Menudo style. It's like that in a Filipino way. It looks similar, yeah. But the ingredients for this is more in the Thailand. Belly pork, my god. It's really tasty. Only 3 of us will be eating this one here. There you go. There you go. Yes, you can see the Thai people, they love vegetable. Now, look at this. This is like a small eggplant. There you go. Sweet cabbage. Okay. Noodles, rice noodles. Quite tasty. There you go. This is really nice. It smells nice. The flowers. We call this batong. In the Filipino, I don't know what's the English with this green long beans, no? God, it's nice to be invited by my friend. Look, she prepared all of this food. Tasty. That's my friend Pratoma there with her favorite noodles. That's nice. Where you go? We usually boil this one, nah, and eat this fresh. a simple food, quite tasty. Hazel, come on. My friend Hazel is coming. Lovely. Yeah. We usually boil this one, right? The batong. What's the English of batong? So thick. Green. Green beans. Come on, Di. Hazel.
Hello.
There you go.
How are you working today?
I'm not working today.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I have no babysitter.
Oh.
Linda is in America.
Hi, my baby Teo. Hello, darling. Oh, look at this little boy now. Looks like a doll. Apil kasi akong YouTube
to
do,
go
ha?
out.
You will be in the YouTube? Is that alright? Mami?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
On my YouTube, so.
Muti naman siya sa mutay, no? Gawas na jud eh. Wala na liwat ni mo, day.
The rain is so hard outside.
You look like a British really now, a British boy. Not look like mommy anymore. The real beauty come out.
There's no baby in here.